Looking for the best tool set for your 2024 DIY needs? Our home improvement test team ran each set through an obstacle course of nuts, bolts, nails, screws, boards, and wires to test each tool's intended purpose around the house and garage. There are many products available to choose tool sets, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and complete a list of the best tool sets from reputable brands after much research. I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. DeWalt Tools Kit Sets. The DeWalt 108-piece Mechanics Tools Kit and Socket Set scores very high in our 4 metrics. The tool quality and functionality were immediately apparent as soon as we assembled sockets to the ratchet. Easy to assemble and securely fastened are the themes of this kit. We effortlessly wrenched on ski bindings and worked on bicycles. The carrying case is lightweight, easy to carry, and has 2 metal latches that snap solidly into place. And as a carpenter who has used DeWalt products for over 20 years, one of our testers can assure you that durability is second to none. On the other hand, we can't recommend this high-quality toolset for general use only because it lacks diversity in its available tools. There are no hammers, pliers, or tape measures. However, if you either already own or don't mind acquiring those other tools separately, this might be the right toolset for you. Number 2. Amazon Basics Tools Kit Sets. The Amazon Basics 173-piece hand tool kit set offers a killer value and a solid selection of household tools. It comes outfitted with a small hammer, a saw, various pliers, a tape measurer, a small selection of nails and screws, and even a torpedo level. The small socket set is handy, the snap-off blade is adequate, and the level is convenient when hanging art. The screwdrivers and magnetic bit driver have comfortable handles with rounded edges that help maintain your grip. The driver's 20 extra Torx, Phillips, flathead, hex, and square head bits expand the toolkit's capabilities. We always appreciate having SAE and metric hex keys around the house, especially if you own bikes. Number 3. Crescent Tools Kit Sets. The Crescent 180-piece professional tool set is a solid professional socket set for working on cars, tractors, lawnmowers, and other motorized equipment with a few additions for household use. These sockets and ratchets are some of the highest quality performers in the test, and there are a lot of them. You get 2 ratchets with 3 extenders for hard-to-reach places and over 80 sockets in metric and SAE, including a super handy 5/8 spark plug socket. The 12 combination wrenches, with 1 open and 1 box end, are among the best in the test. We like the screwdrivers and the magnetic bit driver, which come with 48 bits. The needle nose pliers are high quality with nice action, but there are no ordinary pliers or tongue and groove pliers. The metric and SAE hex keys are fine and come in sturdy holders. Number 4. Channel Lock Tools Kit Sets. The Channel Lock 5-piece pliers set gives every indication of maintaining the quality we have come to expect from this brand. The large tongue and groove pliers, which a lot of us call channel locks, are the best of their kind in the test. They also have the widest size range, making them a must for gripping pipes during plumbing projects. The slip joint pliers and diagonal cutters also top the list, with the latter cutting through plastic and wire quietly and efficiently without sending shrapnel across the room. The needle nose pliers have the narrowest tip in the lineup, making them great for tight spots and precision work. All offer smooth action with little to no play. Long handles with a vinyl sheath provide ample leverage. Number 5. Craftsman Tools Kit Sets. The Craftsman 57-piece home kit is a solid little tool set. If your projects aren't elaborate, this kit offers the best mix of basic tools. Its fiberglass and rubber-handled hammer is one of the better options in the test, as are its slip joint pliers. They have an easy action and comfortable grip. The screwdrivers are pleasant to wield and work well. Instead of the magnetic bit driver that many other kits include, this one gives you a ratcheting screwdriver with a bit adapter so you can use it for bolts or slap on a Torx, Phillips, or flathead to tackle an array of screws. We like it. The little socket set is a handy size. It's not top of the line, but it works well enough. The 2 hex key sets are standard, offering metric and SAE sizing. We like that the measuring tape is self-locking and marked with 1/4 and 1/8 measurements, which are nice for taking measurements at a glance. That's all I have to say. Please subscribe to my channel as I post informative videos every day. Check out my description if you're in need of more details or would want to know how much the things cost. If you have any issues, please leave a remark below. Keep up with our awesome product, which will make your life a lot easier.